a lot of the capital and trading volume that was on Jupiter will start to transition to other exchange on the ecosystem, just to qualify for more airdrops.
Money is leaving Jupiter to take advantage of future airdrops. Where is it going? What should you do if you hold Jupiter? What is the potential of Jupiter in the long run? And what are the future airdrops to watch out for? Let's discuss all of that in this video today. First off, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. It will help support the channel and the talented guests that provide amazing alpha. I asked Patrick about the volume on Jupiter, and here's what he had to say.
If you look at Uniswap, that's the one that is the most successful in terms of trading volume. It's at 645 million of trading volume per day. Meanwhile, Jupiter right now is at 508 million per day. That will slow down as the airdrop has completed until there's more airdrop to qualify to. But then I think the trading volume might spread on other exchange on the Solana ecosystem. For example, Drift, it's more used for like futures trading, and there's an airdrop coming for Drift.
The airdrop for Drift is not 100% confirmed yet, but here's what we do know about Drift. Drift is a decentralized exchange on the Solana blockchain, initially focused on perpetual futures contracts. It expanded to offer a wide range of trading options, including spots, swaps, and lending borrowing, looking to fulfill all liquidity needs in the DeFi space. For those that may not be familiar, perpetual futures are derivative contracts that track the price of an underlying asset, like, say, Bitcoin or Solana, without an expiration date, allowing for leveraged trading. There's speculation that Drift may introduce a governance token named DRFT, which could grant holders voting rights on protocol decisions. However, it has not been officially confirmed. So there's minimal details, but there are hints that suggest long-term users who have been trading on the app for over a year and have significant trading volume, or P&L, might be favored for the airdrop. No official confirmation or details on how to claim the airdrop yet. Be sure to stay tuned for official announcements to avoid scams. Now, the Jupiter airdrop has been deemed successful by most, but why has the price dropped?
Price from here to there, you should exclude it. Like it's not relevant because it was the price discovery of they kind of did something similar to a bit of a Dutch auction. So I would not consider this price drop to be relevant for the actual chart. So it's really more like this part. So there's a bit of selling pressure. It's the people claiming the airdrop and then converting into something else, because there was no VC money involved. And as far as I know, there was no pre-sale as well. So that means that right now we're gonna probably experience a downward pressure of the price. But I think it's not impossible. It could grow quite a lot. So now at this point, it highly depends how much market share Solana will have compared to Ethereum.
So perhaps holding on to Jupiter is not a bad idea. Also, I'm not a fan of meme coins. Neither is Patrick. But Patrick does have a more speculative play with Win, the meme coin supposedly created by the Jupiter founder.
I usually don't put money into meme coin, but in this one, it was the founder of Jupiter that basically was quite involved on the launch of Win. So with fully diluted market cap of 61 million, I think it's not impossible that it goes to the same level as other meme coin on Solana.
Like perhaps Bonk, which had a nice run. Not financial advice, of course, but it's no secret that meme coins are high risk, high reward. But while we're speculating on the future, Patrick, what should we do with our Jupiter tokens?
You can do some trades on Drift and then use some of the tokens and the resulting to go on MarginFi, which is equivalent to Aave, to basically borrow and to lend your token into a peer-to-peer lending exchange. So that's what I'll also do, which are they will be doing an airdrop as well.
We already learned about Drift, but what about MarginFi? Well, I did a little bit of research. MarginFi is a DeFi platform on the Solana blockchain focusing on lending, borrowing, and liquid staking. It allows users to lend their crypto to earn interest or borrow by providing collateral. The rates are determined algorithmically based on supply and demand. MarginFi plans to release a governance token called MRGN, facilitating community participation in protocol decisions through a DAO. The proposed token distribution includes 1 billion MRGN tokens with allocations for investors, core contributors, community airdrops, DAO reserves, and a grant scheme. They've been running a program where users earn points for lending, borrowing, and referring others. These points may influence the distribution of MRGN tokens in the airdrop, though specific details are pending. Both the MRGN token and its airdrop have been confirmed, with expectations that the airdrop will require claiming tokens through a dedicated website. The exact timing and claiming process has yet to be announced. As always, be sure to use caution, always look for official announcements, and stay vigilant. So we have some airdrops to watch out for, and we learned about Patrick's game plan for Jupiter token holders. What are your thoughts? What's your game plan? Are you excited about the development happening within Solana? Comment down below, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on the way out, and I'll catch you in the next video.